Hello guys, and welcome back to my first game with no game engine, just JavaScript. So the other time I made a player which is a cube, an enemy also a cube but different colors, and then some ground for it to stand on in the jumping. Yes, I think so. So today I've added background, a real player sprite which is running, and some obstacle which will come in place of the enemy. So let's get straight to it.
At the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them that the break is over.
You're so enticing. Could you be the devil? Could you be an angel? Your touch magnetizing. There's a guy imploding. Leaves my body glowing. They say.
So let's get straight to it. I downloaded the free PNG from Google, I guess, and I added it in. It was time to do some jumping, so it's time to do the jumping.
A different dimension. You are.
So I downloaded some free sprites and I made a couple of edits to it. I put it in and it was working, but it's kind of glitched a little bit because that's not how I want it to be. And then I put it in, so I fixed a little bit, and now the run was perfect. So after I get some perfect running, I thought of adding the background. And when I added the background, I realized the player also have a white background, which is not good. So I had to upload it at free place to remove the background, which is remove.pg, and I removed the background, fixed it back in, and it was perfect. And I had to scale the animation and do some couple of tweaks and put the player in, and everything was looking very cool. And I added some images, which is the obstacle which would jump on. For now I don't know why, but my collision is not being detected, which I'll fix that very soon. But as of now, this is what I have done. So the game is now officially a little complete, I guess. So what do you think about the game? Let me see in the section below, I mean the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.
Extraterrestrial.